What I don't like about these wheels is how these spokes come up and then go back inside, and they tuck lower than the actual lip itself, as you can see. If they came up and ended up here by the lip of the wheel, that concavity that this wheel had would have been much nicer. It's not bad as is, but I like that deep dish look, which this wheel could have made. Mitsubishi could have made that from the get-go, but they decided to go this route. And this route could be just for strength purposes, aerodynamic purposes, but just my opinion, for looks, I'm not a fan of how this spoke comes in before the edge of the rim. Aside from that, if you ever want to paint these wheels, it's gonna be a nightmare, since most of the flat surface is on the edges of the spokes, not on the flat spoke itself here. So spraying this, you would have to angle it really well, make sure there are no runs on the side of the wheel. But aside from those two things, there are really no complaints. The fitment is nice. The 245s, how they come in, provide just enough protection for the rim, and they look good. Everything looks good.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.